She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be revamping my bedroom. Let me backtrack. About 2 weeks ago, I found out that my college, along with almost every other college in the US, is sending their students home and moving to online learning for the rest of the semester. So I moved back home to Albany, where I'll be living indefinitely in my childhood bedroom. After being here a total of 2 minutes, I realized that my bedroom needs a change. So I went to Lowe's to get some new paint, switched up the furniture, ordered some things online, and spent a total of 12 hours on Pinterest. This is the result. Hi guys, what's up? Today is the day that I'm starting my room redoing process. I'm very excited. Today we're going to start by getting a new bed. I'm actually getting a new bed first, which I know is probably going to be kind of weird to some people, but I'm not going to take all my furniture out because I have some really old furniture in there that I love, but it's also very heavy and I don't want to have to take it all out and then put it back. So I'm going to actually start by taking my bed out and putting my new bed in so I can sleep in there tonight. I know it sounds weird and I feel like it would be better to just take my bed out and not put my new one in, but I'm not going to be able to paint until like 2 days from now because I need to take all the pictures off my wall too. So I'm going to put my new bed in my new room and then just cover it in plastic while I paint. Last night we put together the bed, took away my old one, and I think today we're gonna take down all these pictures. Oh my god. So the next few days are kind of a blur because as I was redoing my room, I was also juggling school at the same time. So instead of vlogging each day, I just made a little montage of all the days combined.
Save me, I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. And the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you.
My sister and I finished the white today. Now Nick and I are about to do the red.
Baby, it's you.
The paint is finally finished. It looks like a little streaky over there, but we're gonna touch it up. I love the color.
Trying to make some extra gravy.
There's really not a great place to start, but I think I'm gonna like start over here kind of. Oh, guys, this is really overwhelming.
Even in the spaces we call love won't have to fade away. But do you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day? We should buy some gold handcuffs and woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job.
I ordered all the stuff that I wanted for my gallery wall, so I ordered like all the pictures from Society 6. I'm just waiting for the frames to come in the mail. But today in the mail, I got a cloud from Amazon that I'm gonna put right in the center. So I thought I'd put it up right now. And then I probably won't talk to you guys for like another week because that's when the frames are coming. I just put up the cloud. I think it looks so good with the red wall. It's been about 2 weeks since I updated you guys on my room and nothing has changed. It literally looks the same. Since I painted it, all I've done is add tape to my wall of where I want the frames. I got the prints in the mail. I got the photos. Finally, I got my frames. The frames took the longest to come. They took 2 weeks, but they're here now. And so I'm gonna open them up. Okay. There's actually this white stuff and I just know it's gonna get everywhere. So I'm actually gonna do this on my floor. My room is so messy right now, but just ignore it because it's about to look really nice. That was not a good way to do that. I don't know what I was thinking. But okay, these are the frames. Okay, I put all of the pictures in the picture frames and now I'm gonna attempt to hang them on my wall.
You leaned in closer, I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer, I pulled away from it, moved to the city, over the Tappan Zee Bridge. You like the colors, I can't see anything.
We just finished the gallery wall above my bed. I'm so happy with how it came out. Nick did all the hammering. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I can't. I love it.
Walking like Jesus, when all the stores are closed, the water's freezing.
Hi guys, today I'm very excited because we're working on the desk section of my bedroom. So I'm going to be putting up some shelves and decorating them. I'm just going to be doing a shelving wall above my desk. My vision right now is to put my circular mirror that I got from Kirkland's like a while ago in the center of the shelves. So the shelves are around it, and then I can sit at the desk in the morning and do my makeup. So one of the shelves will be for makeup, and then the rest will be books and candles, and I might try and find some like art prints at Marshall's or something. So yeah. Is that even?
Yep. Pretty girls from the night school, who knows what you've been through, sinking low in your bar stool. Oh no, he's a new fool. He thinks he knows what you've been through. Go home. Painting
the trim, and I was in charge of getting us some drinks from Starbucks. I promised I was helping earlier. I really was, I swear. He's just very good at not making it streaky, and I am not. So I got us coffee. But now I'm about to go back home and help, but also might take the long way home. Just kidding. Or am I? No, I'm kidding. Okay, I'm back now. Nick is painting my door trim, and I'm about to paint this one. I kind of already started earlier while Nick was like doing stuff.
Oh.
So it has been a little bit since we did some stuff to the room, but today is the day that we are finishing my bedroom, and I'm so excited. I did go shopping in a few different places, and I thought I would show you guys some things that I picked up for my bedroom. So first I got these two little glass jewelry organizers. I love these. If you can see, I have three already. I have one for my scrunchies, I have one for earrings, and then this is for rings and hair accessories. And then I got two more because I think that they're so cute. So the first one that I got is just from Urban. It's this octagon box. I think I might put lipsticks in here. We shall see what I do with this. And then from TJ Maxx, I got this little glass organizer. This one I love, and I've actually been looking for one of these specifically because I just really like how it opens. It's really easy to access, so I think I'm gonna put my everyday jewelry in here because as much as I love this one that I have, I was thinking of just putting jewelry that I just don't really reach for as often in here, and then put my everyday rings, bracelets, necklaces in here. And also from TJ Maxx, or this actually might have possibly been Home Goods, I'm not sure, but I found the most relatable wall art I've ever seen in my entire life. Basically, it's just this artwork, and it's like of a girl with a bunch of plants in her room, and she's reading a book that says how many plants is enough. I love this. I think that it is so me, and I'm really excited to put this somewhere in my room. I was gonna put this on a shelf above my mirror where I have like all the candles right now, but it doesn't fit. So I think I'm gonna have to put it on this shelf, but we're gonna worry about that later. And then I have so many plants, as you guys saw in the last like segment of this video, but I thought that I needed to get a plant to go right next to this because I just thought it would be so funny. I got this plant from Trader Joe's, and then I just got one fake plant from Target because it was only $5. So I'm gonna put this maybe here. No more plants for me because I literally have this whole plant shrine. When did I become that? I really don't know. It just kind of took over. And then I also got curtains for my room, so we're gonna put those up today. And then last thing that I got is probably the thing that you guys are gonna be most excited about.
I got these TikTok lights.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
So when you walk in my room, this is what you see. I guess I'll start with just a little quick overview just so you can get a feel for how the room is laid out. Right next to the door is this huge mirror that I had at my apartment from college, and I just got this curtain rod and I hung it from this shelf and I wrapped lights around it, which by the way I will have everything that I can find linked below. So this mirror is from Kirkland's and then the lights are from Target. I don't know where I got the shelves. I think I just got it at like a local hardware place. I just put a bunch of books on here. I have an overwhelming amount of candles. Here we have my nightstand area. I do have 3 nightstands. It's actually ridiculous. Then I have my bed, and then above my bed we have my favorite part of my room. I just have a bunch of prints from Society 6. I also have a bunch of random pictures of my friends and just a bunch of pictures that I love. In the center you guys saw that cloud is from Amazon. The curtains I just got off of Amazon. And then as you guys saw, we painted the trim and it matches perfectly with the curtains. Over here, this was in my last apartment. I don't think it's staying, but it's just here for now. It basically just holds all my necklaces. Here we have my dresser. I put my TV inside my dresser. I feel like it just opens my room a little bit more because before my dresser had my TV on it and this dresser was over here. So I feel like it just opens the room. I have this little trunk which has always been at the end of my bed. This is decor that I still want to use somewhere in my room, but I just don't know where yet. And then I just have all of the school supplies that one of you guys is going to get, which if you haven't seen my school supplies video, I do a giveaway where you guys can win all of this stuff. So you should definitely watch that video and enter. If you haven't, it ends August 30th. And then on the top of my dresser we have all of my plants. It's like a mix of fake and real plants. And then over here we've got candles. I have way too many candles. I really just don't know what to do with them, so they're just kind of piling up over here. And then above it we have these 2 shelves with these plants are both real and they're from Trader Joe's. Here is another dresser. Honestly, I've said this before, but I could get rid of this, but I don't know. I like having this top space, which is ridiculous to have like a full dresser. I actually do keep things in here, but I easily could move it into one of these. Yeah, like there's literally 1 pair of jeans in this one. I just have a lot of gold organizers on here. I have my salt lamp, another candle, which I don't burn over here because the curtains are right here. I've got a little bucket of blankets over here. And then over here we have my desk space, which I've shown you guys. Put up shelves because I knew that I wanted like a little shelving wall. I originally was just gonna put a lot of books on here, but then I downsized and just put the books over there. It's honestly really hard to make shelving aesthetically pleasing and practical. I'm still like struggling with it a little bit, but on this shelf I just have all of my makeup, and then above it I have 2 bins I got from Marshall's, and here's a bunch of extra desk supplies, and then in the bottom one is a bunch of like unopened products, lotions and stuff. And then this glass container is also from Marshall's, and I have just like a bunch of body sprays and my moisturizer. I have like my toner behind it. We have some makeup remover, and then over here I have a bunch of makeup bags. And here, this is where I keep all of my electronics, and then I have another gold organizer from Urban Outfitters, and I just keep all of my nail polish in here. And then up here we just have some extra notebooks, and then I have this little vase that I got from Kirkland's. This is from Target, and then as you guys saw, this is a new edition. How many plants is enough? And that literally is me to a T. And then in the center of my shelves I just have this circle mirror. This desk is my sister's old desk. As you can see, it's kind of like scuffed. And then next to my desk I have this little plant stand that my aunt got me for my new apartment last year. It's just this really beautiful like green tile plant stand. I shouldn't say a plant stand, it's like a plant stand, but it's also a wine rack. And then finally we have this clothing rack that I actually built last night, and I literally have no space in my bedroom for it, but I love it, and I think it would be great if I was doing like outfit videos to just have this behind me. Like how flipping cute. But it's literally blocking my closet. This definitely isn't gonna stay here, but I'm gonna keep it here for now. So this will probably go in my sister's room unless I can clear out that dresser and put it here. I might just put it in my sister's room, but comment below what you think. Oh, you guys, I'm conflicted. This is the end of the video and I'm still conflicted on my bedroom, but it's fine. But yeah, no, I really am obsessed with my bedroom. I worked really hard on it. Oh my god, I forgot to show you guys the biggest part, which is these lights. They're like the TikTok lights. Everyone on TikTok has these. These are actually cool because you can actually program it from your phone. Right now the lights are on 100%, but if I wanted them on like red, I could just press red. And you can also like do it to music, which I like don't really do, but yeah, I just think that they're super cool. But yeah, I really love my bedroom. I feel like no one really has wooden furniture on YouTube anymore, but I like it. I feel like everyone has white walls and just like a very neutral aesthetic, which I like. I really like that. If I was to get a new apartment or something, I would do that kind of aesthetic. aesthetic just because it's very clean. But my favorite color is red, and so I really just wanted to paint my wall like a burgundy red color. I've loved it ever since I was little, so I just knew that I wanted to paint my room red, and I'm just really happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you aren't already, make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.